Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video, and I'm going to show you, it's a bit of a tutorial, so I'm going to show you my favorite wrap and what I use in most of my sessions. Now this wrap is great for showing the hands and feet, and also for unsettled babies that you can't pose naked but you want to still show their feet and their hands, maybe even their chest as well. So this wrap I call the bundle wrap because they're going to be wrapped like a bundle, and you're going to see their hands and their feet. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so when we wrap the baby, I like to have always the wrap firstly before the baby's in my hands on my lap there. So I always have a shorter side to the wrap on one side, usually my left. I pop the baby down, and the longer side is to my right. So what I do with this wrap, so whether baby's asleep or awake, this is my go-to wrap I like, because I find with awake babies it's really easy to keep them in place, as in their hands and their feet. So what I firstly do is I grab the short side, so I'm always holding the baby down on their chest there with my right hand to make sure they're not going to fall over or wriggle. And then I grab the shorter side, lift her arm there, grab that side against her chest. Now you find some parents don't like to show, if it's a girl, they don't like to show her chest. Some cultures are like that, that's okay. So, but either way, I do it this way, and then you'll see that bit there that's left. I'm going to tuck that, so I'm always holding the baby with one hand so they don't roll over, and I'm going to push her with my fingers up a bit, put that underneath there, and just pop the baby back down. So that's nice and secure across her chest there. Then I'm going to put her hands where she's comfortable. So let's put her hands there. Let's put it there. Okay, she's comfortable there. Grab her feet with my fingers. So that's how her feet are nice and tucked in. So one there, and then this one underneath. And then I'm going to grab the bottom bit and just gently across her knee there, down her foot, and just hold it. As you can see, I'm using all my fingers to support her and the wrap, and just imagine this baby's wriggling like most of the time. And then I'm going to put that underneath there. You don't have to do it right across the shoulder if you don't want to, so just tuck it there so it's secure. And then I'm going to grab that bit there. Actually, we can do it this way. It's quite a big baby. So right under her bottom, then grab that from the top, and you want to make it come across her neck, down her shoulder exactly. So bring it right down across her arm, and then across her foot here again, and right underneath. And just bring that, just be careful holding the baby, and bring that right over, secure that under her bottom. You don't really care what's happening at the back, we can fix that later. We just want to get the structure of this wrap correctly. Same thing from around here. I'll pull that right back up, her knee, her shoulder there, and her arm. And then I'll lift her head, and it comes right across her back there. So I'm lifting her, she's nice and secure. Her feet are against my stomach, so she's nice and secure. I'll pop that down, so that will straighten all that's at the back of the wrap that's at the back. As you can see there, she's nice and secure. So no matter how much she moves her arms, she won't wriggle out of that. So that's why the first layer has to be really, really firm. Then we just keep doing that until we finish and there's no more wrap to wrap her with. So we keep putting that right at the back, across her legs, her knees, lift her head, then right across her arms again, shoulders I should say, and then down the back again, and then put her back down, and then right across. So until you are finished and there's no more of the wrap to use. And then the rest, excess wrap, we just, so it's not too scrunch against her back, we can pop it under her bottom. And then we have the bundle wrap like that with baby all bundled up and ready to be put on a bed, in a prop, on a bean bag, however it is. So that is the best way to have baby, especially if they're awake, to wrap them in the bundle wrap. So there you go. Alright, well there you have it. That is my favorite wrap, my go-to wrap that I do for whether it's sleepy babies, awake babies, pretty much in every single session. And this is great if you have a baby, especially if they're awake and they're very fidgety and their hands are in the air and legs are everywhere. So this gets them, you can still see their hands and feet, and they're nicely secured to wrap where they can't escape out of it. So this is called the bundle wrap for babies. So if you have any questions, remember to leave them below wherever you're watching this video. And if you want to grab our newborn session guide, which I've created for you to run a successful newborn session, go to thephotographersociety.com. And if you're a lover of Instagram, come on over and follow me there, Photography by Rochelle, and let's connect. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you guys next week.